Good morning, Year 6. So, today we're going to be looking at changing present tense verbs to past tense verbs. Okay? So, first of all, I would like you to think about what do you do at playtime? So, when you finish your lessons and you go out to play, what do you do? Can you write a sentence telling me what you do? So, pause the video and write a sentence telling me what you do at playtime. Okay, so you could have put something like, I usually play football, which is the present tense, okay? So that tells me what you do now, okay? So it's present tense. If I want to change that to past tense, it would change to yesterday I played football, okay? So can you see how we've just added the suffix ed onto the end of play to change it to past tense? So if I have sometimes I run around playing tag, okay, I want to change that to past tense. But can you see how we don't add the same suffix here? It changes to ran. So this morning I ran around playing tag. I throw the ball to my friend and she catches it is in the present tense, okay, because it's as if you're doing it now. And I want to change that to past tense. So remember, it's not throwed and it's not catched. It changes, it's slightly irregular. So it changes to I threw the ball to my friend and she caught it. So for regular verbs, to change them from present tense to past tense, you just add ed. So for example, play to played, laugh to laughed, need to needed, look to looked, ask to asked, and call to called. Can you see how for each of these we've not changed the root word at all, so the root word is the word you've started with. We've just literally added ed on the end, okay? So for regular verbs, all you need to do is add ed on the end to change them from present tense to past tense. However, there are very many irregular verbs, and these break the rules, so you just have to learn them. So for example, go isn't good, it changes to went. Say isn't said, it changes to said. Make isn't maked, it changes to made. Take isn't taked, it changes to took. Think isn't thinked, it changes to thought. And isn't, it changes to was. Okay? So these are some of the verbs that are irregular, and these are the ones that I need you to learn. Okay? So just take a moment just to read those through again, just to make sure that you are familiar with them. Okay, so now try these. It is sunny. We need to change it to past tense. So we've got it is sunny. We have assembly today. We go swimming. I think PE is fun. My dad helps me with my homework. I said, one more. We need to tidy up the cloakroom. So can you change these sentences to past tense? So remember, you need to identify your verb first and then change it to past tense. So let's identify the verbs together. So it is sunny. The verb is. We have assembly today. The verb is have. We go swimming. The verb is go. I think PE is fun. The verb is think. My dad helps me with my homework. The verb is helps. We need to tidy up the cloakroom. The verb is need. So pause the video now and see if you can change these sentences into past tense sentences. So you would just need to change the verb. Pause the video now and have a go. Okay, let's have a look then. So it is sunny changes to it was sunny. We have assembly today changes to we had assembly today. We go swimming changes to we went swimming. I think PE is fun changes to I thought PE was fun. My dad helps me with my homework changes to my dad helped me with my homework. And we need to tidy up the cloakroom, changes to we needed to tidy up the cloakroom. Well done if you got those correct. This one was particularly tricky because there was two verbs to change in there. So well done. Okay, so what I would like you to do now is I would like to see if you can sort these verbs into past and present tense verbs. So you've got spoke, kick, gave, jump, ate, kissed, yelled, growled, smell, slept, and grabbed. So can you put these into the correct columns, into past or present? Pause the video now and have a go. Okay, let's have a look then. So this is the right order. So in past tense, you've got spoke, gave, ate, kissed, yelled, slept, and grabbed. And in present, you've got kick, jump, growl, and smell. Well done if you got those correct. Okay, so what I would like you to do now then is complete the table first of all with the correct form of the verb. So here is your table, here is present tense, and here is past tense. Can you complete the table correctly? Once you have had a go at that, have a look at this paragraph here because some of the verbs are incorrect. Can you correct the verbs in the paragraph? Now it says rewrite the text with the correct forms of the verb, and that is what I would like you to do, making sure that your handwriting is the neatest it has ever been. Pause the video now and have a go. Okay, let's have a look at the answers then. So here we should have had, watch, waited, saw, go, jump, blinked, did, and get. And here we should have had wore, came, walked, came, went, saw, went, and then that should have been followed. So that should have ed on the end there. And then that should have been did, so did, so that one there. Okay? Well done today, Year 6. That was very, very tricky, and you've done really well there. I'll speak to you again soon.